Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Firepit flower in Garden game of Roblox new summer camp event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the summer camp has been released in Garden, and this is one of the seeds from this update. Before I show you how this flower looks like, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this flower. Basically, you can do crafting here. Go to the crafting bench and you can craft the Firepit flower seed with the daffodil seed, and then the uncommon egg, sorry, and advanced sprinkler, and also 100k shekels. And you can craft the seed only with tier 1 in the Campfire Workshop. I've already crafted the seed and planted the seed in my garden. This is how the plant looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how many embers we can get from this fire pit. Okay, I'm going to burn it. Let's burn the fire pit. Oh, I got 300 embers. It's not that high, but yeah, it's still worth to craft because it's cute. Okay guys, and that's all about the Firepit flower in Garden game of Roblox summer camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.